I meet someone new. I meet someone new. She looks friendly. She looks friendly. He looks kind. He looks kind. We say hello. We say hello. I introduce myself. I introduce myself. My name is Alex. My name is Alex. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. She smiles at me. She smiles at me. He smiles back. He smiles back. We start talking. We start talking. The conversation feels easy. The conversation feels easy. We share our hobbies. We share our hobbies. She likes music. She likes music. He likes movies. He likes movies. We enjoy talking. We enjoy talking. I ask about her day. I ask about her day. She asks about my day. She asks about my day. We laugh together. We laugh together. She tells a funny story. She tells a funny story. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. We feel comfortable. We feel comfortable. I like her personality. I like her personality. She likes my jokes. She likes my jokes. We walk together. We walk together. The evening is nice. The evening is nice. We sit in a cafe. We sit in a cafe. We order coffee. We order coffee. The coffee smells good. The coffee smells good. We continue talking. We continue talking. Time passes quickly. Time passes quickly. I enjoy this moment. I enjoy this moment. She enjoys the moment too. She enjoys the moment too. I ask about her hobbies. I ask about her hobbies. She likes reading books. She likes reading books. I like traveling. I like traveling. We share our interests. We share our interests. Our conversation feels natural. Our conversation feels natural. We laugh again. We laugh again. I feel relaxed. I feel relaxed. She feels happy. She feels happy. We talk about music. We talk about music. We talk about movies. We talk about movies. We talk about food. We talk about food. She likes pizza. She likes pizza. I like pasta. I like pasta. We have many common interests. We have many common interests. That makes me happy. That makes me happy. I feel a connection. I feel a connection. She feels the same. She feels the same. We enjoy the evening. We enjoy the evening. I ask for another date. I ask for another date. She says yes. She says yes. I feel excited. I feel excited. She smiles again. She smiles again. We walk outside. We walk outside. The night is calm. The night is calm. The stars are bright. The stars are bright. We talk a little more. We talk a little more. I appreciate this time. I appreciate this time. She appreciates it too. She appreciates it too. I say thank you. I say thank you. She says thank you. She says thank you. We say goodbye. We say goodbye. I wave goodbye. I wave goodbye. She waves goodbye. She waves goodbye. I walk home smiling. I walk home smiling. I think about the date. I think about the date. The evening was wonderful. The evening was wonderful. I feel happy today. I feel happy today. Good conversations matter. Good conversations matter. Respect is important. Respect is important. Kindness matters. Kindness matters. Honesty builds trust. Honesty builds trust. Good communication helps relationships. Good communication helps relationships. Listening is important. Listening is important. Understanding builds connection. Understanding builds connection. Relationships need respect. Relationships need respect. Friendship is important too. Friendship is important too. A good partner is supportive. A good partner is supportive. Support builds strong bonds. Support builds strong bonds. I value good relationships. I value good relationships. Healthy relationships feel safe. Healthy relationships feel safe. Communication builds trust. Communication builds trust. Trust grows slowly. Trust grows slowly. Patience is important. Patience is important. I enjoy learning about people. I enjoy learning about people. English helps communication. English helps communication. Speaking English builds confidence. Speaking English builds confidence. Practice improves speaking. Practice improves speaking. I repeat every sentence. I repeat every sentence. Repeating helps memory. Repeating helps memory. My confidence grows daily. My confidence grows daily. I speak more naturally. I speak more naturally. English practice works. English practice works. Thank you for learning today. Thank you for learning today. Keep practicing every day. Keep practicing every day. Small steps matter. Small steps matter. Practice builds progress. Practice builds progress. See you in the next episode. See you in the next episode. Keep speaking English daily. Keep speaking English daily.